People are finding the new McAllen Library building an experience that they have not had before.
It's pretty big. Biggest library I've ever seen. It was like bigger than I thought it would be.
Big is the word, starting with the children's section.
I thought, wow, I'm gonna faint. This is a lot of books. Like, I didn't even know where to start.
Well, you can start anywhere, because almost everywhere that you look, there's something going on. Many days, the library is full of activity.
The excitement of seeing the children in their own little corners and places just reading their hearts out. It was really spectacular to see that, and everybody's excitement and involvement as a community, and I see this as a blessing for McAllen.
And, you know, education has been a priority for the City Commission and for our school district, and this is a library that's going to be able to grow as our community grows and help educate our kids to compete in the future.
The children's area even has kid-sized doors, just because it's fun.
That's gonna be the best library close to my house.
And probably the best and biggest library close to anyone's house. The main room is close to the size of a football field. The book sections are labeled in both English and in Spanish.
It's very large. There's a lot of separations, a lot of different areas, and I'm headed over to the auditorium where they say there's a demonstration that explains about the meaning of the artwork and the fountains and everything that they built. So it's very interesting.
And there are a number of study rooms, about 16 of them. Some have dry erase boards. You can book a room for up to 2 hours at a time. This new library building will be with us for years.
The last library has been around, I guess, for over 50 years, and so we built that with this library with a 50-year plan. So we'll see how long that lasts, but we plan on it lasting for a long time.
There's also a boardroom with built-in electronics to meet the need of any meeting. And there are separate meeting rooms available for rent for any organization.
It's got a lot of room as well, a lot of computers.
And that is another large room, just packed with computers. Sign up, sign in, and get online.
And the most important thing is for our new generations to have these kind of buildings, because encourage the new people to have more reading and keep going with computers and technology, and it's very excited to be here.
And let's not forget the library will also be displaying art. The exhibits will change, but the quality will not.
It's a beautiful library. We're very impressed. And I'll be here like every Saturday, I think. I think I'll even volunteer here.
This is really a monument to the creative nature of the human mind. And that's what this place is. And it's got all the different ways that we show it. We have artwork in here. And so I think this is what this is about. This is about creativity of the human mind. And if you look around, I think we've captured all the different vehicles that's shown.
The library advocates operate a used bookstore. Teenagers have their own section with room for activities. And there are plenty of places to sit down on furniture that holds the body well.
Everything, you know, that can be of assistance to the education world, to the business world, to just the citizen in general who, you know, wants a quiet area to read.
Yes, there is a quiet area where the rule is speak quietly and don't disturb. So, all things considered, the new library building can easily be summed up.
It's big. It's nice too.
And the library is open 7 days a week, Monday through Thursday from 9 in the morning to 9 at night, Friday and Saturday from 9 in the morning to 6 at night, and Sunday from 1 to 9. Neo Canales, MCN.